Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the CapCut templates for AI anime filter TikTok trend. So here I'm going to just go to the template tab on CapCut. Then you can just click on the search column at the top and type in AI filter or AI anime. So you can just select that, and here there will be lots of options that you can choose. For example, this trend filter AI. So what you need to do is just click on the use template and then select your photos. Okay, after that click on preview and wait for CapCut to load the effects, and after that your video will go like this with the AI anime filter. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.